What's up, Poke fans, and thank you for joining me today. Today, I am your host, Ice Dragon 0314. I'm going to be doing my 30 packs a day challenge for the whole year today. Let's go with some more Scarlet and Violet base set. We've been getting a nice streaks here and there with some V's, EXs, full arts, and whatnot. Let's see if today we can get some illustration rares or even a special illustration rare. And let's get this ball rolling. Hope you guys' day is going so well. And yeah, so always make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Feel free to check out my past videos where I started from the beginning and worked my way up to this point. So yeah, like I said, don't hesitate to mention any cards you like, any packs you like. I can try to get some more packs based on the one you guys recommend. So whether it's 151, Paldea Evolve, Paldea Fates, some Paradox Rift, even the newest one with the Prismatic Evolution, maybe in the Journey Together, or if not, even the Japanese ones, I'll probably get some more later as I go on. So yeah, let's get this ball rolling and see what we get today. Thunder Energy, Magneton, Clawitzer, Graveyard, Maschiff, Florges, Greedent, Pavilion, Florges, Jock, into the Meowscarda. Nothing for the first pack today. Let's see if we get something in our second one. So today may be a failure day today, because like I said, the past couple days I've been getting some nice EXs and full arts. So let's see if today we get something good, or it's gonna be a big failure today. Darkness Energy, Squavit, Charcadet, Lechonk, oopsies, Starly, Tatsugiri, Nestball, Pachirisu, Flittle, and we got the Starly illustration rare. Nice. We got ourselves a nice little birdie birds here. Got a nice little illustration rare today. Looks really, really nice. Actually looks really nicely centered, to be honest. Nicely centered in the front. Nice. It's very nicely centered, to be honest. Actually, maybe it's a little heavy on the left. Very little difference, but regardless, still nice hit. And as always, feel free to redeem these codes. I don't know when they're gonna be gone, so take them while you still can. So let's see, we get ourselves a last pack magic today. We managed to get a runner-up pack. So let's see if we can get a last pack magic today. Psychic Energy, Pawniard, Wiglet, Toadschool, Sandile, Dutch Spun, Torkoal, Scovilliard, Grimer, sorry, Launcher, Ndidi. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, it was a Grimer. Oopsies. So, yeah. Scared there for a second. Thought I lost the card. So, yeah. So, nothing on the last pack magic, sadly. So, today we managed to get ourselves a nice illustration rare here with the Starly. So, yeah, this is going to be for today's hits for 185. Like I said, we've been getting a nice back-to-back hits. But this is today's hit for today. So thank you for joining today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another 3 packs. Take care, have fun, good day, good night, and evening. Deuce.